Samsung's latest foldable, the Galaxy Z TriFold, has tech fans buzzing, and it's easy to see why. With a massive screen when unfolded, sleek design, and a solid camera setup, it sounds like the ultimate upgrade for foldable phone lovers, but a closer look reveals some quirks that could leave early adopters scratching their heads. Hello and welcome to GadInsider, your place for all the tech news. Standing in front row of the disappointment parade is the design choices. Unlike the Huawei Mate XT, which offers 3 screen configurations for ultimate versatility, the TriFold only gives users 2. That limits flexibility, especially when you don't want a full 10-inch tablet but just 8 inches to do the job. Samsung also missed a chance to make DeX mode the default, which would have kept the larger screen layout for productivity. But users are greeted with wasted home screen space unless they do some tech-heavy tinkering. The TriFold packs the Snapdragon 8 Elite processor, but some fans hoped for the newer Gen 5 version. Sure, it's powerful enough to handle this foldable, but at a price that could reach $2,400 in the US, it's hard not to want the absolute latest specs. DRAM shortages and niche production might drive costs even higher, but despite these all, hype remains strong. Pre-orders in South Korea reportedly sold out in minutes, showing there's plenty of demand for Samsung's bold design. Whether the Galaxy Z TriFold becomes a daily driver or a niche collector's gadget may depend on how you feel about trade-offs between innovation, price, and practicality. Are you still gonna butt it? Let us know in the comments. Give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to GadInsider, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss any tech or gaming update.